Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to prepare super delicious beef sauce and spag. So easy to prepare and super delicious. Make yourself comfortable. Let's dive into it. So I'm going to be using 1 kilo grounded beef. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will go ahead and slice my onions. I'm using 2 medium size. Please feel free to check my description box. Everything will be right there for you. This is spring onions. I will also go ahead and dice it. You can use any vegetable of your choice. This is olive. I'm using 1 cooking spoon. I will allow it to hot for just 2 seconds. Then I will take in my diced veggies. Then I will stir for like 3 minutes. The next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I will take my beef straight to it to that same pot. I will stir until it become brown. So after a little while, I'll add my thyme. This is a salt to taste. I'm using 1 cube of seasoning. You can use any one of your choice. I'm going to be using these fried tomatoes. Each of them is 400 grams. So this is almost ready. The beef is almost ready. I'll add the fried tomatoes to the same pot. I'll go ahead and add just 1 cup of water to it. So I will also put the measurement of the water in my description box in case if your cup is bigger than mine or mine is bigger than yours. So I have my 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and I will also be using this yellow, red, and green pepper. Guys, I really want to appreciate from the bottom of my heart all of my returning subscribers. You guys are wonderful, amazing. Thank you all. May God bless you all and grant you all your needs in Jesus' name. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please be a part of this humble family by subscribing. Turn the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Help me to share this video, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Guys, can you see that this sauce is really super fast to make compared to stew and less oils on it? So it's ready. So I'm going to add a drop of water to this water, already boiled water for the spag. I'm using 1/2 kilo. As I earlier said, everything I'm going to be using, feel free to check my description box. They will be right there for you. So this is salt. So boiling of this is just not more than 20 minutes. It's ready. Wow. I'm about to serve. Guys, go ahead and watch to the end. We are almost through. Please, if you have not given it a big thumbs up, why not go ahead and do so now? And help me to share the video. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Watch to the end. Bye bye.